Hello, I'm Derek Stewart. I am President of the European Society of Clinical Pharmacy, and I'm delighted to welcome you to our website and also to the Society. I'm just going to take a few minutes telling you all about the organisation, the benefits of joining, and so on. If you're new to ESCP, please take time to explore our website, find out a bit more about us and what we do. And just to tell you right at the start, one important thing about ESCP is that we're a society for all members of the pharmacy team, irrespective of your role, your seniority, and the country that you're in. So we're here for every member of the pharmacy team in all practice settings in all countries. You don't have to be based in Europe. You don't have to have a title of a clinical pharmacist. You don't even have to be really from pharmacy. We welcome anybody with an interest in pharmacy and use of medicines. A bit about ESCP, we set up in 1979, and no, I wasn't present at that point. I'd have been really young. Our vision is that we are an international leader in advancing really everything to do with clinical pharmacy. So we're advancing quality and, importantly, innovation in clinical pharmacy education, practice, and research. Our mission is that we promote, support, implement, and advance those three areas: education, practice, and research in clinical pharmacy. And what we're really trying to do is optimize outcomes for people, for patients, for society. As a member of ESCP, there are many benefits. You would become a member of a very dynamic, powerful international clinical pharmacy society with impact on professional practice and patient care. And together, we are stronger. You will have opportunities to help us contribute to the development of global clinical pharmacy. And again, together, we are stronger and can have greater impact. You will have access to this great network of expertise and support in those three areas, whether you're developing your practice, you're developing your clinical pharmacy education, or your clinical pharmacy research. And importantly, you have expertise to give something back, to help develop other people and share your expertise. We do two main events per year. We have a two-day international workshop, which is usually held in April, in a European city, and it tends to be quite focused around an area of clinical pharmacy. So for example, in April 2022, we were in Zurich for 2 days, looking at the care of people with neurological conditions. Our big event in October every year is our 3-day symposium, and in 2022, we're in Prague, focusing on a much wider area around polypharmacy and aging. So as an ESCP member, you would gain generous discounts to those events. And actually, the discount that you get is more than the annual fee that you pay. So if you're going to come to one of our events, look at joining, because you will save money. If you are a student, our annual fee is very low, really to support all students, irrespective of the program of study that they're on. Our members also have free access to a series of webinars, which we arrange in spring and autumn every year. And members can contribute to the development of the webinar program. It's important for us to involve members in setting the agenda for the webinars and think about these that meet your needs. At ESCP, we've got a number of special interest groups, and those special interest groups are growing. So again, members have free access to those special interest groups and their activities, and members set the agenda for the special interest groups so they can contribute to the development of new special interest groups. And we've got no set formula for how those groups run. It's really up to the members of the group to think about what do they want out of the group. All ESCP members also got free access to the International Journal of Clinical Pharmacy and a journal called Drugs and Therapy Perspectives. The International Journal of Clinical Pharmacy is really close to my heart because I'm also the editor-in-chief of that journal. All abstracts that are presented at our annual events are published in the International Journal of Clinical Pharmacy. ESCP members also have an opportunity to apply for our research grants when they're announced. They've got access to an array of clinical pharmacy, practice, education, research resources. We publish every year a series of papers called ESP Best Practice Papers. They're published in the International Journal of Clinical Pharmacy, and they're really around describing an area of innovation, how that innovation was developed, implemented, costed, evaluated. So members have free access to those papers. Members are able to contact other members for support and advice. And also, as I say, important to contribute to the development of ESP, to apply to be members of our committees, and really help to drive the society. And members also have opportunities to represent ESCP on a number of external related work streams that we have. We are collaborating and partnering with a number of other societies and organizations. So ESCP is here for you. If you become a member, you can help to shape it to meet your needs and the needs of those that you serve. So I hope that's been useful for you. Do look at the membership, look at the fees. You can sign up as an annual member. You can sign up for 3 years, 5 years. The longer you sign up for, the more generous the discounts are. So do look at our website, use the contact us facility and get in touch with us at any time on any matter. And I look forward to welcoming you as a member, or even if you don't join as a member, to come to one of our webinars or one of our annual events. Okay, so goodbye and take care.